Hi, welcome to Beck KinderCare. I'm Lauren, your center director. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through some of our new health and safety protocols that have been put in place. Alright, so here is our wellness station. This is where you will drop off your child and we will conduct health screenings and take your child's temperature before they go back to the classroom. We use an infrared thermometer, so it is touchless. And once they are in the safe zone, they are cleared to go back to the classroom and you are good to go.
Hi.
Hi, good morning. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Are you ready, Landon?
Today we're gonna have so much fun. It's Splash Day. Are you ready? Okay, let's get your temperature. Good. 98.7.
Okay, bye, Landon.
Yeah. Good job, Landon. Come on. Let's go back to your class. Yeah. Come on, let's get your friends.
As soon as London enters the classroom, she goes over to the hand washing sink and thoroughly washes her hands before she eats breakfast or plays with any toys. We're still making sure that each class has enough time to go on the playground at least twice a day with weather permitting. Between each class going on the playground, we're allotting at least 10 minutes for our health and safety coordinator, assistant director, or center director to wipe down the playgrounds to ensure everyone's safety. All of our food is prepared here on site with our cook that follows all the safety protocols, including wearing gloves, a mask, and disinfecting all surfaces immediately after use. We're also practicing social distancing during nap time by placing the cots at least 6 feet apart and children laying either head to toe or toe to toe, never head to head. We're also disinfecting the cots after each use. We're rotating toys at least 2 times a day and also sanitizing during nap time and at the end of the day.